Hello, and welcome to our 5th episode about cats. Until now, we have learned so much about our little pet friends. Without a doubt, cats are super special animals. That's why we cannot get enough of them. If you want to continue learning more about cats and other interesting topics, then please leave a like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Now, let's get to the video. Cat hierarchy is a topic we love because this is all about what our pet's social environment is like. We always notice that cats have different characters and behaviors, especially when it comes to being in a group. In this video, we will explain in detail how cat hierarchy works. Stay until the end so that you can take advantage of all the information. Years ago, a theory of cat hierarchy was established that hung on the study given to a pack of wolves in captivity, which gave rise to the theory of dominance. It shows how groups of animals within their breed maintain a hierarchical rank. Within this group of animals, there are cats, which shows the same among a colony of cats. Whether wild or domestic, there will always be a cat that is, in some way, the leader of the pack. The first thing to note is that, for example, if we have a group of cats in our house, one of them will be dominant, but this dominant trait will not dictate that he has an aggressive behavior. Rather, his dominant role will lead him to not cause conflicts and to seek group peace in the herd. But what aspects do you have to take into account if you want to find out which is the dominant cat in the herd? There are some characteristics to take into account, far from being the most violent or the one that tears the furniture and curtains in your house. The dominant cat is the one that with his look controls the rest of the cats when something happens that causes them concern or some other strong emotion. That is the first indication to start noticing which is the dominant cat. The proper signs of hierarchy in cats are: when there is something new in the room, the dominant cat is usually the one who takes the first step towards it or rubs his head and tail with the new object, usually when it is a toy. It is also the one who starts with its purrs to warn the rest of the group what to do or if they are in danger. The dominant cat shows certain characteristics before the rest, setting a pattern for everyone. These can be the following: tension in their body, posture, suddenly changing their fur and bristling. In the case that they consider more dangerous, they will even mark their territory with urine. On the other hand, when the dominant cat starts to lick or groom another cat that has a lower rank than him within the herd, it means that he accepts him and is comfortable with living together with him. But don't let this confuse you. Cats are not animals with a natural gregarious instinct. They don't usually socialize as much as other animals, only if their habitat is composed of other felines of their species. They tend to accept each other in these ways, leaving of course their mark as dominant, which in this case would be to groom the other. Now, at this point, you may have the following doubt: should you correct your cat so that it does not behave like a dominant cat with the rest? When you understand that within a herd of animals, dominance is a way of communication between them, since some were born to lead and others to be led, you will notice that it would not make any sense to try to eliminate this feline characteristic, since it is natural. A dominant cat will always want to be the first to use the new litter box, the food placed in the bowl, or to use the new toy. But that does not mean that he will behave aggressively if another of his companions manages to use it before him. Therefore, if you see that your cat is aggressive instead of being dominant, we suggest you to go to the vet and check the violent attitudes your cat has had. Conclusion: in this video, we learned a lot about cat hierarchy. It is always good to know new things about our pets and their social behaviors, but most important of all is to understand the reasons for their behavior in order to handle the situation better. In the next episode of this cat series, we will discuss why cats ignore us. Don't miss it. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your cat-loving friends. See you next time.